Oh, back like I never left. All right. What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. Today we have the Monster Rockin Roller 270. We got this bad boy right here, and we're going to unbox this thing. So let's bust it open right now. So you guys, let's get our first look at it. By the way, buds, check out the new hat, the Wanna Buy It hats. We got Wanna Buy It hats and sweaters. That's not a merch shout out. We don't got no merch. Just for everyone that works on the channel. My sister and my wife, basically. But right now, this speaker's going for 200 bucks on Amazon. I'll put that link down in the description below so you guys can check that out and see if the price drops or any of that. They only have this one color, which is the steel, silver, or whatever, and then black. But we're gonna pull this bad boy out and let's see what comes in the box first. So on the box, it says you're gonna get up to 200 watts of power. You get up to 100 hours of playback time. And then it has a fast charger on the speaker. And let's see here, you got wheels. It is weather resistant, IPX4, basically meaning it could, handle, a couple splashes and stuff next to the pool and all that. And you get a 270 sound. So you got sound coming from the left, the right, and up front. Is basically the only thing it's not going to cover is behind the speaker. So let's see what's in this box. Now I was really excited when it came. It was supposed to come tomorrow, and then I seen Amazon drop off something. I was like, that must be the speaker. That must be the speaker. So it's going to come with your, your power adapter. You got your cord right there, so you can charge up. Let's get it out the box or out the plastic for you. And I just ripped it. Phenomenal, great, amazing. I really messed that up, buds. So there goes the zipper part of it. But yeah, here goes your little cables, charge up. Oh, comes with a mic. Wasn't expecting that. Yo. Mic check, wanna buy it, 1, 2. It's lit. Feels kind of cheap, unlike the JBL one on the Ghost big speaker. That one felt really hefty. This one feels really, cheapish. Then we have our auxiliary cord. You got a little aux if you guys want to do that. Might as well rip this too. There you go. Got a little aux cord. And we got some instructions. Before first use, charge for 7 hours. That's what it says. So, important. We're not going to do that. I'm not doing that. We're going to use it right away. ASAP. So let's pull this bad boy out. And the speaker right here. Now it looks like a backpack, but don't let it fool you. This is one heavy backpack right here. All right, you got a little lever, a little handle right there, as you guys can see it moving. So there we go. Oh, hey, this thing is clean, man. Look at that. Check that out, buds. I'm gonna lean back for you. You guys can get a good look at that right there. Show the sides. Let me hide behind there. Show the sides. This thing is heavy. You do got the wheels though. You gotta wheel it on them. And then pop that out right there. Are you going to the airport? Nah, I'm just about to go throw a party somewhere. That's what I'm about to do. Got the little airport looking bag thing. And this on the top, as you can see right here, is where you'll put your phone to get the little portable, the wireless charging on there. So that's nice. And then you got a bag in the back. You probably keep the cords in here, which I will be doing. Matter of fact, let's do that right now. So let's lift it up. This is going to test my strength, Mortal Kombat style. There we go. Put that in there. And I wonder if it'll fit the mic as well. Let's try the mic out. And yep, there we go. So 100 hours playtime. That's no joke. You are going to get a lot out of this. And you'll be the life of the party with this bad boy. Let me give you guys a little buttons close up. All right, there goes the buttons, as you guys can see. If I'm shaking, it's because it's heavy and I'm holding it up. But yeah, so there goes the buttons right there. Get a little look at that. So I'm really excited. What else does it say? All right, so we got the box. Let's see what the box says. The box says the wheels are all terrain. You can take them anywhere. You can take them in the snow probably. I don't know. You got the folding handle. And the folded handle turns into a tablet and phone stand. How? Let's test this out. Oh, bam, right there. Stand up your phone and tablet, charge it up. Yeah, it does. It's telling the truth. It's telling the truth. I already said the 270 sound, so you're gonna be coming on the sides and on the front of the speakers where the sound will be coming from. You can do a guitar, mic, LED display. Oh, that's probably the right here somewhere. Storage, microphone, blah, 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 and blah, blah, blah. And there's an app control for it. So yeah, that's everything. So let's see how we turn this bad boy on. This is new to me, like it's new to you. Let's see here. Turn on. Do math. Oh, it's probably back here actually. The big ones always have a switch. There we go. All right, we're on. H1. Bluetooth. Let's see how quick. I got my phone right here. Let's see what we get. Let's go. Bluetooth. Boom, right there. Monster.
Connected.
You heard it. She's telling the truth. We're gonna play some of my boy Sage as we always do on here. So let me get set up for this because I'm gonna have to hold this up for you guys. All right, I had to get the settings right and make sure everything's good. So let's do it.
Kakasimula pa lang sa larong ito. Sabi na tao sa tabi, dapat akong huminto. Pero buhay matindi, dapat puso ay bato. Di kailangan inerihan yung negatibo. Kakasimula pa lang sa larong ito. Sabi na tao sa tabi, dapat akong huminto. Pero buhay matindi, dapat puso ay bato. Dapat puso ay bato. Oo na, mahina pa ako. Okay lang, bigyan mo lang ako.
Alright, so off the rip, one thing I will tell you is I thought it was going to be louder. But then again, it did tell me to charge up for 7. Let me check again. I keep saying it. Charge for 7 hours before using it. So that might have something to do with it. So what I should do is come back in 7 hours and see what it sounds like. So basically tomorrow, because it's already late here for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge it. And then tomorrow we'll come back and we'll see how it really sounds. We'll test it outside actually and see how loud it gets. And yeah, so right now, just off the rip, I thought it would have been louder. I think the Ultimate Ears Hyper Boom is louder than this, but it is $200 more. So we'll see when we do the 7 hours thing and see how it goes. Matter of fact, let me show you guys the wireless charging on here because I already tested it. It was pretty cool. All right, so I'm about to do Iconic's phone. You guys probably can't see because she has a privacy screen, but it will charge. We've done it, and it makes a sound when it's charging as well. Charging. So the wireless charger does work, and it tells you right here. There's a little dot somewhere right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's green or something like that, and it shows that it is charging. All right, so right now I'm about to insert 7 hours later after letting this thing charge, testing it outside.
Pull up on a beamer, going soon. Face to face, no close, I'm going soon. Wanna see you closer, going soon. Yeah. Wanna see you close, I'm going soon. So see you soon. So see you soon. Little mama, I just wanna be with you. Don't you move, baby girl, I'm coming soon. Wanna see you close, going soon.
All right, bud, so this is Future Rodney, filling in for Pat's Rodney. Tested out the speaker, we charged it up for overnight basically, so over 7 hours. And it's still not as loud as I thought it would have been for how big this size is and how heavy this speaker is. So it was a bit louder than the Hyper Boom. The Hyper Boom is $200 more, but I feel like it was a little bit more fuller. But still, this one was a bit louder than the Hyper Boom. Not as full of a sound, surprisingly. I feel like the highs stick out more than anything on this speaker. And for the size, it's not pumping out the type of sound you think you're gonna get out of this speaker. I know some people are gonna be like, oh, you guys want it to be the world, you guys want the world with a speaker. When you look at a certain speaker and you think it's gonna sound that way, this one doesn't. It doesn't sound that loud, and people are gonna buy it because of that. And I know it's $200, so don't expect the world from the speaker, but it doesn't hit like I thought it was gonna hit. It's not as loud as I thought it was gonna be. but still, it is still a great speaker because all the things you're getting, you know, you can just roll it around, you don't have to carry it, and then as well as you get, you know, the mic, and then you can just, you know, karaoke with it, and you get the wireless charging that I'm sitting on top of right now. But for 200 bucks, it still is a great speaker, and it's hard to beat that price with everything you're gonna get out of this speaker, and it still does get the job done. It is pretty darn loud. It's just not as loud as you think with this big old thing. That's all, that's what I'm saying. But all right, bud, so back to Pass Rodney. So let's test out the mic actually on here. Let's see, since we tested out the sound. All right, bud, so I connected the mic. All you do is plug it in here, you turn on the volume, and then you got, all you have is echo, basically, you can mess with. So if you turn it on, the volume's all the way, I think it's down right now. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, got a little echo. Turn it up. Elite, mama. Yeah. That's basically all you get. You don't get too much more. That's about it. Let me turn on some music. Yeah. Woo. Back like I never left. Turn me up. Booga booga long, booga booga long. Asamanga, booga booga long. Booga booga long, booga booga long. Siggy power. All right, bud. So there you have it. The mic is not the greatest on here. Like I said, compared to the JBL on the go, that mic was really good, and you really don't have too much going on. The volume only goes so loud and all that. So the mic is not the greatest on this. But there you have it, buds. If you guys want to check this bad boy out, I'll put the link down in the description below so you guys can click that and see the current price and all that. And as always, to all my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. You guys are helping my channel grow. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button so you can become one of the buds and join the crew. But at the end of this video, I have some other speakers you guys can check out. I have like the Hyper Boom, and then we have some budget type speakers as well. So we have all different things you guys can check out. But if you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And I see all of you in my next video. This was Wanna Buy It, and my name was Rodney. Everyone be safe out there. Peace.